Everyone, welcome back to the next video. In this video I will show you how to get your Keycloak server info using admin REST API in Keycloak. So let's get started. Now I already have one Keycloak server running with the help of this particular docker command. So I can just run this particular command and it will start a Keycloak server for me. Then all I need to do is go to localhost /8080 and just refresh this. So I'll just need to wait for this to boot up. So just wait for a second. Okay, and here you can see I have this Keycloak instance running. Username password is admin. Now to use the to get the server info, we first need access token. To get access token, we need to create a client inside our Keycloak instance. So just go to client. There is one realm which is available by default, master, which I will be using. I don't want to create a new realm, so I'll just click on create client, and here I can just give name as my client. You can give it whatever name you feel like, and I'll just click on next. I'll enable client authentication. I'll check this direct access grant. I'll click on next again, and then I'll click on save. Then I'll go to credentials and I'll just copy this client secret. Then I can just go to postman, and here we just need to use localhost /realms/master/protocol openid connect/token. Now here instead of localhost 8080, if you have your Keycloak server running on some different domain, you'll have to change it. And like I said, I am directly using the master realm. I am not creating my own realm. That's why I'm using master over here. Now for username password, it is admin. Grant type is password. Client ID is my client, which we have just created, and I'll just paste the client secret over here, which we have just copied, and I'll click on send, and it generates an access token. It is only valid for 1 minute. Now let's go to another API. So to get the server info, we need to run this API, and here we just need to do localhost /8080/admin/server info, and here I need to go to headers. Here we need to pass authorization. Here is our barrier token. Again, I'll just come over here. I'll click on send one more time because the old token might have expired. So I can now just copy this, go to get server info and paste it over here, and now click on send, and here you can see we are getting the server info. So these are all the details related to my server. So hopefully you got there are a lot of details. So yeah, if you want, you can just go through this. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.